Hey folks, check out this 24 karat gold anti-wrinkle beauty peel mask. It's the latest and greatest in skincare that's worked its way over from Asia. They're somewhat similar to the activated carbon blackhead peel masks, which focus more on deep pore cleaning and tug on the skin a little bit harder upon peeling. The gold mask focuses more on skin smoothing, and the gold itself helps to replenish collagen and accelerate collagen renewal. So for smoother, healthier skin, try this 24 karat gold peel. Check out the link below.
I feel really smooth and fresh, refreshing.